Hello everybody, and it's Allison here, and I wanted to show you my pumpkin I made.
And why did you make the pumpkin, Allie?
Because it's for a school pumpkin painting contest, and I wanted to participate in it. It's Harry Pumpkin.
It's Harry Pumpkin. What's with, look at, guys. Explain the one. I'll turn it, you explain it.
Nana had the idea of having the wand do a little spell over here next to these little bumps that the pumpkin had before I started painting it like he was casting a spell.
And what is
That's the lightning bolt and scar.
And what's this right here?
This is the wand and his hand.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
What do you think it was?
I didn't know. But what? Oh,
That's
got
a thumb.
Got it. See? Sometimes Nana needs to explain.
I'm bad at drawing hands.
That's all right. It looks cute.
Yeah.
So that's in his glasses and his eyes.
Mm-hmm.
His nose, his mouth, and on top is his hair. I think it looks good.
Thank you.
So what do you, okay, if you happen to win the school contest, what do you, Dairy Queen certificate.
Yes.
In October. Only in Wisconsin do we still eat ice cream when it's cold. Cool.
It's ice cream. I don't care.
Okay. So that's Allie's Harry
Potter.
Pumpkin.
Harry Pumpkin.
Harry Pumpkin. Harry Potter Pumpkin.
Yes.
Say that 5 times.
Harry Potter Pumpkin, Harry Potter Pumpkin, Harry Potter Pumpkin, Harry Potter Pumpkin,
Last one always gets ya.
Harry Potter Pumpkin, Harry Potter Pumpkin, Harry Potter Pumpkin, Harry Potter Pumpkin, Harry Potter Pumpkin.
You almost screwed up on number 4. Alrighty, guys. She just wanted to share it with y'all. Hope you guys are having a wonderful October. It's fall for us. We've already enjoyed it.
Yes.
Yeah, there's
pumpkin.
We already went to the Fall Fest today, and there's a video up.
And be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny,
I
and
wasn't done.
be crafty.
I wasn't done.
Oh, I didn't know.
I was gonna ask you, what'd you think of Fall Fest?
It was very fun. I got to wear my Klee costume.
Yes. Explain your costume if anybody was wondering in previous video.
If anybody saw the previous video and was wondering what my costume was from, it's from a video game, and the character's name is Klee from Genshin Impact.
Okay. Yeah, I had to learn that too. Nana had fun enjoying the day with you guys.
Yes.
But Nana's got a Kokoto bear's cold from last weekend, so... Allie stayed with me so she could use my paint, and I looked at Allie and I'm like, I'm not glad that she's 12 because she makes me feel old and I miss those little baby dimples. She's getting such a big girl on me. But I ended up having to take a nap when I came home, and she painted her pumpkin, and this is what I woke up to. She's very reliable to say Nana needs to take a nap. She knows. Don't answer the door. Don't answer my phone. Coming at me.
Don't eat without permission.
Now she came and got me. That's what woke me up. She's like, Nana, I'm hungry. What can I have? And I'm like, oh, meal deals in the fridge if you want one. So I just don't feel that well, as you can tell by my voice. But we had a good day. Mm-hmm. And we're having a good evening. And she finished her pumpkin. Can we set him up? Should we set him on my porch, or are you scared somebody might mess with him?
I'm scared someone might mess with him, so keep him in here.
Okay, why don't you go put him in the living room and set him on one of the tables. And then you can come back real quick and say the goodbye. But we had a good day out at Fall Fest. They had, it was hosted by Green Bay residents. And some of the stores on Broadway gave out candy. And then they had a car show, and people gave out candy there. And...
we also got caramel apples.
Oh yeah, and there's a candy store, and it's called Berg something. I don't remember, but that we went in there, and Diamond got out each one of the kids a caramel apple.
Caramel.
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 We're gonna. But how was it, by the way?
It was pretty good. I didn't finish it yet. I didn't really like the nuts, though. They were too salty.
Oh, okay. Too salty. All right, Allie, what do you say?
Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.
Bye.